Hello, my name's Anna Milner, and I chose sciencebuddies.org for my STEM website. I really like this because teachers, parents, and students can use it, so you can find something and use it and incorporate it into whatever your needs are. So the first thing you see are hands-on science resources for home and school. So it just has lots of different links that you can pick and choose from. And then you click the little shopping cart, and it's really cool because there are Science Buddies kits that are now available that they have. So they have, I think, around like 35 kits that the parents could buy and that you could do at home, which is just another way to incorporate engineering, science, math, all of that into home. So you just click on one, for instance. I was looking at one earlier and it was the basic circuits kit, and you just click on it and the kits aren't too expensive. For instance, this one's only $15 and it's like rated really well. And it kind of shows you what might be in it and stuff, and it has visuals. And so it's just another good way to incorporate that into home, STEM at home. And then it has science fair projects. So Brew Science Fair projects, it lists a bunch. It has this ones with the science kits, projects, or topic selection wizard. And then on the side it has areas of science and grade level and special collections. So if we go to, for instance, engineering and click on civil engineering, it'll come up with different science fair projects. For instance, build the tallest tower. So this one's an easy one, but it has the summary, and then it goes into the background, so some visual aids, materials, everything that you would need, and they do have links on where you can get these as well. The procedure and the data table, which is cool because you could easily do this at home or at school, either. Make it your own, help if you need more, and then there's a learn more tab. And then it has project guides as well, so it has like science fair project guide, engineering project guide, advanced project guide, and reference materials. So if you go to the engineering one, we've actually done some of this stuff in class. So we have like a notebook. We've learned about the engineering design process, and it's really cool because if you click on, like, for instance, the engineering design process, it defines it for you, but then it also has this chart and you can click on it. So communication results, it'll go and it'll be like final report, abstract, display board, and you can click, for instance, final report, and it'll give you key info, a sample, and a checklist, which is really cool and really helpful. And again, this could be used at home for something, for a project that you're doing at home, or in school, which is where it'd most likely be used. Another cool thing that they have about this website is that you can ask an expert, so you can post a specific question about your science fair project or search questions. They also have a blog, so they post lots of different things on there, materials, projects. So their latest one was Halloween STEM ideas. And so a lot of these could be used from kindergarten all the way up to 12th grade. There's Halloween STEM pumpkin power or wearable LED costumes, stuff like that, that you could incorporate into, let's say, if you're having a Halloween party at school, you could do some of these fun activities. I really like the science careers because, first of all, it has like the earth and physical science, life. Let's click on engineering. First of all, it gives like all of the different types of engineers and which ones are really in demand. Another thing that I like is once you click on it, let's go with mapping technician. It shows you what they can do. And I think for me as a very visual person, it is helpful to see what you would actually be doing, and it gets students more interested in it. And it has like the key facts and information, their education, on the job, and some like project ideas and more. And then it has stuff for teachers, so it has like lesson plans, STEM classroom kits, scientific method, like engineering design. If, for instance, if you click on that one, it again like brings you back to what I was showing you earlier, and then it comes up. There's more stuff to that as well, like it takes you to the project guides and stuff. And then another cool thing is it tries to get the parents involved in trying to get their students involved. So it says give your students fun STEM all summer long. And I think the earlier that we incorporate STEM into students' lives, the more likely, for instance, girls are more likely to want to do that as their job and stuff like that. And then finally, it just has stuff for the students, so about the science fairs, some STEM activities, science fair project help, and again, the advanced students. Overall, I think this is a really good website that you could incorporate from a very young age. You could even start at preschool with this website and teaching them like what different types of engineers there are, and you could definitely incorporate some of the teacher websites, the teacher lesson plans, and incorporate that within your classroom for engineering or really anything involved with STEM. So I really think that it's a fun way to incorporate just lessons and different activities within your classroom.